Hello everyone and welcome to this tech seminar. Today we are going to explore TCP and IP, the set of protocol that keeps internet running. Every time you send a WhatsApp message, watch a YouTube or refresh your Instagram feed, TCP or TCP or IP is working silently in the background to make it happen. By the end of this session, you will understand what TCP/IP is, why it's important, and how it enables communication between billions of devices around the globe. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. These are rules or protocols that define how data should be packaged, addressed, transmitted, routed, received over a network. Think it like sending letters. The Internet Protocol is the addressing system that ensures every packet of data knows where to go. While the Transmission Control Protocol is like a postal service ensuring your letters arrive safely in the right order and without missing pages. TCP or IP is not a single protocol, but rather a suite of protocols that works together. It became the foundation of internet in early 1980s and remains standard today. TCP can be understood in the terms of four layers. The first layer is application layer, where human interaction happens. When you when you open browser, send an email or download a file, you are using protocols in this layer, such as HTTP, HTTPS, SMTP, and FTP. The second is the transportation layer, uh, which controls how data is sent between the devices. This is where TCP ensures uh, this is where TCP ensures data is delivered reliably in the right order, and where UDP, the faster but less reliable alternative, is used for streaming and gaming. The third is internet layer, where IP handles logic addressing and routing. Every device has an IP, IPv4 or IPv6, that uniquely identifies it. Finally, the network layer deals with the physical delivery of data, working with the technologies like Ethernet, Wi-Fi to actually move bits from one device to another. To understand how TCP works, let's follow the journey of your data. When you click in your browser, the application layer uses HTTP request to the page. The transport layer splits the request into smaller chunks called packets, numbers them, and adds error checking. The internet layer adds the destination IP address, and the network address layer sends these packets through routers, switches, and cables. At the receiving end, the process is reversed. Data is reassembled by the TCP, processed by the application, and finally displayed on your screen. This happens so quickly that it feels instant. But there is a lot going behind the scenes. The importance of TCP/IP lies in interoperability, scalability, reliability, and flexibility. It works across all platforms and devices, supports billions of devices without breaking down, ensures data accuracy through TCP, and and can be used in both local networks and across entire internet. Without TCP/IP, the internet we simply know would not exist. In the real world, TCP/IP powers nearly everything we do online. Web browsing relies on HTTP and HTTPS running over TCP/IP. Email system like SMTP, IMAP, or POP3 depend on it. Video calls use protocols like RTP over UDP for real-time communication, and streaming services like Netflix chooses TCP and UDP depending on the content. Even smart home devices like bulbs, speakers, and assistants such as Alexa communicate using TCP. To sum up, TCP/IP is an invisible black backbone of our connected world. From the moment you open a web page to the second your video call contact connects, it it is quietly ensuring that your data gets everywhere it needs to go, accurately and efficiently. The next time you click on a link or send a message, remember that there is a chain of carefully coordinated process making it happen. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have clear understanding of TCP and IP and why it matters.